Hello and welcome to LessonZilla. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a folder in your network and how to stop sharing a folder. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it is done. First of all, I'm going to show you how to share a folder. Now, before sharing a folder, you need to make sure that you have set the appropriate NTFS folder permissions on your folder. So you have explicitly defined who can access data in this folder and who hasn't. So in this test folder, imagine this is the folder that we are going to share. The permissions have already been set. Um, if you guys want a video on how to create NTFS permissions, let me know in the comments below and I'll create a video for that as well. But I'm just going to quickly show you my security settings. So basically, this is the current security settings for my folder share. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel out of that. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to go to sharing. As you can see, the default option or the default setting is not shared, so we're going to change that. So we're going to share this folder. Click share. Okay, so this settings over here, we're not going to make any changes. These are automatically populated depending on your NTFS permissions, so you don't have to do anything here. Click share and your job is done. As you can see, this is your network path or the share path, and users in your local network should be able to map this folder using this network share path. All right, click done. And as you can see, it's updated here as well. So that's all for sharing a folder. So if you want to go back and check your sharing settings, you can do so by clicking on advanced sharing. Obviously, this will be ticked once you enable sharing, and you'll see the share name, the letter of the folder, or the name of the folder that you're sharing. You can add some comments in here if you like to do so, and also you can check permissions as well. Now, bear in mind that this is for just sharing the um, network folder. This is not actually NTFS permission, so this is not for actually accessing folders within the um, network share. It's just for permissions for sharing. Now, if I show you the security settings, for example, this is all in terms of access. This is all the security groups. Actually, there's one security group that I've given access to, and I've got the other access from the administrators group, and these are all default um, admissions that are set by Windows. Okay, so that's pretty much to it. And if you like, you can add more users or user groups to your NTFS permissions, enable inheritance if you like. You can check effective access from here. So I'm not going to actually go into too much detail around setting up NTFS permissions, but just a word of warning, make sure that you set up proper permissions before you go ahead and share a folder with your network. All right, so that is all to sharing a folder, and I'm going to show you how to stop sharing a folder. Click on your start icon, start typing computer management, and you will see the app. Run as administrator and look for shared folders. Click on shares. This will show you, double click on it. This will show you all the network shares that are being shared from your computer or from your server. Now, the one that we just shared was the S folder. So I'm going to select that, right click on it and hit stop sharing. Click yes, and your job is done. Now, if we go back and check the sharing tab, you will see sharing has been disabled. There we go. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please like. And if you've got any questions, please put your comments in the video below, and I will be answering them to the best of my ability. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will catch you guys in a new video very shortly. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.